I feel like using this as a ideal flower because all pots are very clear in this, and its name is Datura. It is of course a hybrid Datura, may not be available everywhere, but its indigenous varieties are white colored, completely white colored, and smaller somewhat in size. Nowadays, this is of course grown as a beautiful big flower in many gardens and in many compounds of the houses. If available, it is well and good. Otherwise, that datura is available in many places. In this flower, datura, all parts are very clear as we draw on the board. Now also I am going to show all its parts on the board here. And like that only, for example, see, this is calyx, the outermost part of the flower. It is made up of 5 sepals and all sepals united. This is calyx, first part of the flower. And this is corolla. Corolla is a tubular long organ. See, after this is young still, and this is old matured. And when it matures, it also becomes pink like this. Finally, at the tip, it will become pink like this only. So it is younger flower bud I can say. This is the mature flower, and corolla is matured here. And if you open this corolla like this, if you cut it along the length, inside you will see stamens very clear in this flower as we draw on the board like this. See here, these are 5 stamens here, very clear. See, as we draw on the board where I am going to show you the stamens figures. So the 5 stamens, see, every stamen has anther and filament, and if you tap these stamens on the hand here, see, you will get pollen grains falling on the hand. Pollen and powder like white, powder like things will fall here. If it is mature one, of course it is a young one, pollen are not yet formed in this. In this pollen are formed. I'll show you. See, if you open this flower and see, just tap this anthers on the hand like this, you will see many pollen grains fallen here on the hand. Pollen grains there. Actually, they have to be seen under microscope. Powder of pollen grains, they are forming in the stamen here. This is mature flower, in the stamens are there, matured, and the pollen grains are there, fully formed. That's why you can see in this mature flower, pollen grains you can see very easily. And this is, see, completely inside in this flower only. Like this, one more structure is there. This is gynoecium. Gynoecium has a ovary here at the base, swollen ovary, and this is a style, long one, and at the tip it is stigma. That thing is there in this flower also. See, I'll show you. Open this flower from top to bottom like this. This central one, this is the female sex organ, gynoecium. This gynoecium is like this only, like this it is fully. And these are male sex organs, stamens. All stamens together it is androecium. Androecium is a whorl of one type of parts of the flower. Androecium, whorl of male sex organs in the flower. And gynoecium is also actually a whorl. Its members are called carpels. So these parts are very clear in this flower. That's why such flower we must select better for showing the parts clearly. But lecturers have to take some trouble to search these flowers, and they must bring it. And while teaching these basic things, if we teach and install them correctly in the minds of the students, then only flower can be properly understood, I feel. That's why better I felt that this must be shown to you. So I have shown this flower. It's enough now. You can see other things now actually in the other flowers.